Heidi ho, all my YouTubers out there, how you all doing? So, today, I'm going to make another toe ring. This is an English sixpence, or they used to be called a tanner. 1967. You can get these in silver, but they're quite rare. So, I'm going to try and make a toe ring out of an English sixpence. So first of all, this is smaller than yesterday's coin, so let's see what happens. It can either go one of two ways. It can either go great or it'll go pear-shaped. What do you reckon? I think, 75.26% it could go good. So let's see. Let's go to Big Bertha. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers again. I had a couple more yesterday. Thank you. Love you to bits. I'm feeling a bit better today. Still coughing me guts up, but hey, at least I've still got some guts left to cough up, so that's good. Right. Because I was having trouble getting this small coins on the ring stretcher, but then I had a brainwave. I watched a few other videos that I remembered I'd watched, and okay, we just want to clean up that inside edge. How's everybody doing? Loads of snow today, tons and tons of it. But they come and clear it, so it's not too bad. When I see them in the car park, I'd run down, jump in my car, nip up the shop. When I come back, it's all cleared, so it's good. It's not that cold today, it's 0, so. And I tell you what, I've got to start looking at my monitor more. I was over here yesterday. Sorry about that. It's probably an age thing. Right. So, I need the smallest die I've got. I'm going to go for this sunny side up on the toe ring. Bloody toe rings, man. Crazy. So that's going to go face down. It fits in there just right. Yeah, this is quite a bit smaller than yesterday's. Right, let's go over. It's a big red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Okie dokie. Now, this will not fit on there. So, I now bang this down. This helps stretches it a bit. This is how they used to make rings years ago. Before all this other stuff, you know, all these other tools came out. I got a nice custom order yesterday from one of my early subscribers called Beer. And Beer, tomorrow night, man, I'm going to go live for the first time. So your ring will be the first one I make live. So I'll be doing it at 8 o'clock. Well, uploading it. I'll be doing it at the same time as I upload my other videos, about 8 o'clock, finish time, whatever that is your time. Let's go over there now. Nearly. I'm just trying to get it started so you're not missing anything. I'm having that same bit of trouble again. I think we're nearly there. Come on, baby, start, you bugger. Okay, started. Right. So this is going to be a toe ring. Right, let's clean it up first. You just want to make sure there's no splits or cracks. Yeah, Beer, so tomorrow night, mate, I'm going to make your ring live. So if you want to have a chat with me, you'll be able to do that while I'm making it, hopefully. I mean, you'll type it in and I'll be able to talk to you, so we'll see what happens. Right, go back over to Spike again. A little bit of kitchen roll. That toe ring I made yesterday, my girlfriend tried it on. It was a little bit big, so I put it back in the reducing dies and made it a bit smaller, and it fitted up perfectly. So let's give this a little bit of heat. I didn't bother before because it's such a thin coin. Shouldn't need a lot, but that's good. I didn't bring my quenching cup in. So what we got in here? No. Right, I'll just go and get some water. Okay, I'm back. Right. I mean, this is tiny, tiny. What size we got at the moment? 48 and a half. UK, J, US, four and a quarter. So I'll just give it a bit more. So if you're looking for a toe ring, or your girlfriend wants a toe ring. These are made out of coins, and this is an old English sixpence. I think we could give it... Well, it's not too bad. We'll get in there. Oh my God, it's tiny. But then again, girls' toes are tiny, I guess. I think I'll give it a little touch more, because then by the time I reduce it, it's going to be even smaller. So I don't want to go too far and split it. Okay, that's good. What we got inside? There's a little bit of a lip we want to cut out. Yeah, sorry about yesterday's video. I was over here half the time, you know. It's not good enough. Yeah, if you don't cut this lip out, it's a bit uncomfortable to wear. That's pretty good. See, cut that lip out. It's now comfortable. So let's straighten up the walls a bit. These are reduction dies. It doesn't need much. It sounds like glass underneath my I've got a I'm going to sort my table out soon. I'm feeling a bit better today, so maybe a touch the other way. No. Yeah, that's good. Right, let's give it a bit of a... Let's get... Where is she? There she is. Oh, God. Okay. Jesus, Red. This cough's killing me. This will be the same sort of price as my other rings. All my rings start at €28, and this one is €28. So. And I'll also give it a bit of a polish, because it's for a lady or a girl or a woman or a darling. Right, where are we? If you're looking for a custom ring, I can happily make you one. You can send me your own coins, or you can see what I've got, ask me what coins I've got, and I might have one if you want. And tomorrow night is my first night going live. So Beer, your ring will be the first one made live. Should be fun, shouldn't it? And it'll be quite a long video because you want it patinaed as well, so it'll probably be a 20-25 minute long video. Right, what we got? But yeah, they do fit. It fitted my girlfriend lovely once I adjusted it. So, what we got? That came out really nice. 1967. Sixpence. I mean, obviously, this could also be a ring. If you've got small fingers. What size have we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin because that's the thickest part. EU size, we've got 53.5. US size, we've got 6.5. So there you go, folks. One old UK sixpence toe ring. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow night. First time live. Custom order for beer. Take it easy. Have a good one. But tubby bye bye.